Hi guys, happy Christmas to all of you. I've got a big news for you. I'm going to get a new sawmill tomorrow and I have to get ready for it. One task is to remove the shelf from my van because I'm going to collect the sawmill myself and there isn't enough room in the back of my van. And I have to tidy up the workshop because I left it in the mess. Shame on me. But so you probably ask, what sawmill would you get? And I'm going to let you know this tomorrow. This is a sawmill you probably never heard of, at least most of you never heard of. And I think it's a reasonable mill, not perfect, not the most expensive. Something fits my budget, but you know, I'm going to show you very soon. And your next question probably is, what you gonna do with your old sawmill? Well guys, I'm gonna have to pull the sawmill apart and I'm going to keep some of the parts and throw most of it away because I have no room to store them. Some of you previously asked me if I'm going to sell the old mill when I get a new one, and the answer is a definite no. The reason being because I don't want to be responsible for somebody to get hurt with my mill. I'm not an engineer and I don't think my design is good enough. And I'm going to crack on with the prep work for tomorrow because tomorrow is an exciting day, guys. So stay tuned.
A charity in Yorkshire is urging people who received a shiny new bike for Christmas not to throw away their old one. Instead, the Yorkshire Bike Library...
Okay, and I'm pretty much ready with tidying up the workshop. So my next thing to do is to sort out my van so the mill would fit in tomorrow morning. Okay guys, now the van sorted as well, and as far as I'm concerned I'm pretty much ready to go tomorrow morning and collect the new mill. I have to wake up fairly early because it's about 2 hours drive all the way up to Birmingham, and I still have to get back in time. I don't think I'm gonna be able to set it up tomorrow, it's very unlikely. But anyways, tomorrow is gonna be an exciting day. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and hopefully see you tomorrow.